conditional trigonometric identities. Now we are having next chapter. Now first of all I am going with the definition part. Now definition. A conditional identity is that which involves, or you can write it holds, good for all values of the angles involved in it under a certain condition. Now when it is involved under a certain condition, then we are saying that it is a conditional trigonometric identities. Now we are having three different types of identities. Now in our syllabus we are dealing with three types of conditional trigonometric identities. Now what are the three types? Now type 1. Now type 1 is identities between sine or cosine when three angles are connected by a given relation. This is first type. Then type 2. In type 2 we will be dealing with identities involving square of sine or cosine Type 3. Now in type 1 only normal identities will be there, in type 2 squares will be there, and in type 3 we are dealing with tangents and cotangents. Okay, identities involving tangents or cotangents of angles. So these are the three types of identities which we are going to do it.